Hi guys, we're in a Thai restaurant. Here with my husband, Oliver and Jessica. They're laughing at me. And we're gonna order the foods now. What do you feel like eating, Bob?
I feel like duck, but
Duck.
I don't know.
The duck last time is nice. Remember, Oliver, the duck?
It's fried rice,
Yeah, I think it was quite nice.
crispy. I don't know anything.
Fried rice. You eat anything. I'm starving.
What I remember that
We're at Silver Spoon restaurant.
Silver Spoon restaurant.
Yeah. What do you want, babe?
You got curry puff. At
Yeah, I
school,
saw
I
them.
wasn't allowed to say, call somebody curry puff. It's not very nice.
It's nice here, only us, and there's no music.
Yeah, that's a nice name.
Yeah.
I want to be called curry puff.
What do you feel like eating, Oliver?
Duck.
Oh, seems Jessica. Well, we can order one duck. And what do you want?
Prawn.
Prawns? Okay, we
Is
share
it-
that.
is
I
it
don't know what
garlic
I
prawn?
want. I want something seafood, so
No garlic prawn.
Oh, they have papaya.
chow. Oh, chu chicken. How you read this? Chu chicken. Did we order,
A
Oliver?
red curry duck.
Curry duck,
Red curry duck.
Steamed ginger fish.
steamed ginger fish,
Chicken pad thai.
chicken
Thai milk
pad thai,
tea,
Thai milk tea.
iced chocolate and Coke.
Oh, okay, that's it. And the model today is those two. Well, that one's arrived. And this one. Is that nice, Bob? What is that, Bob?
Thai milk tea.
Thai milk tea. Tell me if it's nice. Is it nice? She said it's nice. What about this one, Oliver? How you call that one?
Iced chocolate.
Is it nice?
Very nice, yeah.
Very nice, he said. What about your one, babe? No.
That,
I mean, Dad.
What are you doing, Bob?
Oh, good.
I'll show you something.
Crazy husband.
Coca-Cola.
There's ice. It's like a bucket.
330 ml can.
It's a bucket.
What are you doing,
It's a
Bob?
bucket.
This is even smaller than
Are you
that.
crazy?
Contains around 35 grams.
Now let me
9
taste it a little bit. Anyway, I taste these ones.
Yeah.
See if it's nice or not.
Better have this.
Oh, this one's nice.
Get it, man.
Very nice.
How can I put it in the bloody honey jar? Just bring it.
The ones arrived. This is very cute thing. I like this spot. It's so cute. Wow, that looks so nice. Is it the duck, Oliver? Look representable.
Represent.
How you say it anyway?
Present.
Presentable, yeah, very presentable. And this one, wow. Is that it or more?
That's it. That's all we got.
What is that?
Barramundi mine.
Ah,
Is that a barramundi? Wow. Let's check. Ay, it's filet.
If you're not allergic
It's filet barramundi.
to crackers.
What did you taste, Jess?
what is that?
The pad thai? Is that a pad thai? Yummy, they said. What about the barramundi? Let's taste the barramundi. Anyway, my husband said it's very nice. I didn't taste it yet, Simon.
Better than yours?
Better than my barramundi. Oh my gosh. is better than my barramundi. Oh. Really? A lot of people like my barramundi. This one looks so yummy. I'm gonna try this first. This duck, I only try with it. Duck.
These pigs' ears are really nice.
Alright, I tried the duck. See what does it taste like? Yummy, love a duck. It's so yummy, the duck is very yummy.
Is it?
Yeah, very nice.
Very soft. And the flavor is so Tell us about the duck, like, tell them about the duck. Alright.
Buy my duck.
Nice? I'm gonna try the fish. You said it's better than mutton.
It's better, just different.
Different. Lots of veggies. It's healthy. It's a lot of veggies in a way.
That's right. And this sauce is nice too.
That's what it looks like. A lot of veggies. We eat it with the rice. It's nice. It is nice. Oliver's gonna judge.
I think it could be better than Elsie's one.
Let us Oliver. So that's your fish.
Different flavors.
Favorite fish. It's just different flavor.
Just a little tomato.
Pretty tomato. Let's see what the reaction. Oliver's reaction.
Lychee duck.
What do you think, Oliver?
It's nice. It's got a more stronger barramundi flavour than the one you made, but I like your sauce better.
You like my sauce.
It's very nice though.
Yeah, it is very nice. Now I'm gonna try the pad thai noodles. They said it's nice. Chicken. No prawns bag. I thought you ordered prawns.
The lychee's nice.
No, try like this? Oh yeah, you put lemon. Lemon. I love lemon. Nice. Nice. Nice olive. Pad Thai sauce. Everything is nice actually. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm finish eating. Oh, not yet. I'm not finished eating yet. Yeah, they're all nice. Thank you for watching. Oh my gosh, it's crazy.